guys, today we have two Scion TCs in the garage, both owned by this gentleman, my friend Sean. And well, we're gonna do a couple things. So one of them is kind of messed up due to an accident.
Oh, you look at it?
It's like that. And this is his new one, or old one, or
New one.
okay. So better one.
Better one.
2008 release series, 2006 stock completely. So what we're doing today, we're gonna take a bunch of the parts off the old one and put them on the new one and kind of upgrade it a little bit. Change out the wheels, maybe some of the interior, headlights, stuff like that. So just follow along. And by the way, it's like 27 degrees outside here in beautiful Michigan. Yesterday, it was, all this week it's been beautiful weather, and tomorrow it'll probably be 50.
Like 35 million.
What?
Probably like 35 million degrees tomorrow with our luck.
So first things first, we got to get these Hot Boy wheels off. Your brand new ones. Right after you dent your new car.
Moving on up to the side.
So, how much experience would you say you have working on cars? Bud?
None.
Oh, you have a little.
Probably about hamster and a wheel.
You've changed these wheels half a dozen times.
A couple times. It's only because you put our brake pads on backwards.
I'm gonna edit that out.
That's fine.
Yeah. Make sure you put the brake pads on the right way. Easy mistake, I guess. Hey, we figured it out after a couple days.
Yeah, after a couple days.
Of just grinding the shit out of them.
We should be selling them more.
What's that?
We should be selling them. Main reason is we tested the durability out. They go both ways.
So one other thing we're doing is because when swapping out the wheels, the car he just bought, one or two of the TPS sensors is broken or doesn't communicate or something, and the previous owner didn't want to fix it, but all four of them work on his old car, and they put them in with the new wheels, so that's gonna fix that problem. He's just gonna have to have the tire shop reset the sensors, or a dealership can do it, but either way his light won't be flashing. Why are you locking the door?
Here.
Let me in. So one of the many things we're trying to do today, I'm gonna swap out the stereos, because this one it's just a regular one, and on the other one, the other TC, the 2008, it is the release series, so it has the premium sound system and everything, but I don't think we're gonna swap out the speakers and all that. We're just gonna do the head units, but it seems to be a pretty easy job. It's not like we're doing an aftermarket one where you'd have to rewire and everything, which that's not like super complicated either, but this is just literally going to be a plug and play deal. But I'll show you how that goes real quick.
Yeah, straight out of the 949. OC. Yeah, you can't stop this show. It's fucking chronic, yo. It's fucking toxic like an alcoholic logic flow. It's catastrophic like a psychotic erotic code. Cause even though I wanna quit her, man, she kinda dope. I gotta go. I never never slow down. Everybody knows now, we the best to throw down. Parties in the SoCal, we getting so loud. Party with the whole crowd. Kick the haters all out.
It's as simple as that. So, now we have the face of it off. Literally, you pretty much just pull those, just pull them straight up, those little trim panels. And then, now we get a little bit more light here. There's gonna be 2 screws in the back, 2 bolts, and there's 2 Phillips on the bottom. And it should come right out, and then we'll just unplug it.
Stereo, I got a fucking plan, and you know that I'ma make it. Oh, I'm the fucking man when I'm spitting in the studio. Feeling hella slammed, cause I'm sucking down these fluids, yo.
10mm deep well extension.
From the bottom to the top, I fucking grow now. Chris Bryan in this bitch, I'm fucking pro now. Hitting home runs at every single show now. Let's go. I got a couple shots in my system of that whiskey. I'm the best in fucking town in this motherfucking city. Everybody knows me now cause I'm staying hella busy. Got the ladies all around thinking that I'm hella filthy cause I'm guilty, yo. You gon' hear me on the radio.
There we go. Okay. So, 1, 2, 3 plugs in the back. Should just unplug it, and hopefully the bracket and everything mounts right up. It should. And I have no clue what that one's for, to be honest. Some other option. Maybe it's the premium. I don't know. But we'll just unplug it and go to the next one. Sean forgot to break the wheels loose before we lifted it up.
We should be fine, man.
You good now? You got
We
the
should be good now.
you got the man breaker bar?
Yeah, I was fucking trying so hard. Little effects.
Now we're moving.
Yeah.
These wheels are gonna look so much better than that.
Yeah.
The other
Just
stock ones.
cleaner.
Yeah?
I know you think that they look like my Dodge Neon white boy. I've got a tricked out car, motherfucker.
They're hot boy.
Sure. At least they're not spinners. They knock it down.
You think spinners will come back?
Yeah.
How it all comes back around?
Yep.
Fucking hope not. I missed it.
Didn't need the fucking breaker bar for that one.
Just manned up on it?
Yeah, I mean, tied my nuts together. Just hoped for the best. God.
I've never heard you make so much noise, dude.
Huh?
I've never heard you make so much noise.
I'm sorry that my physical exhaustion.
Alright, see? Much nicer. So I'm gonna undo this one, and I'll catch up with you guys when I put it in the new one. So this might be kind of weird, but this car was mine for 5 years, and then I sold it to Sean when I got the FRS. But I'm gonna steal this from him. Goddamn camera. Okay. It is the badge that says the release series, individually numbered and everything. So I thought it'd be a cool thing to keep, since this car's probably just gonna get scrapped anyway, or parted out and all that. I don't know, just something cool to remember it by. All right, you got the old, or the, I don't know how to say this. This is confusing because this is the premium stereo out of the 2008 that we are putting in Sean's new 2006 car, new to him. And we did find out what that other plug is for. Well, we didn't figure out what it's for, but it does plug into this one. I'm sure one of you guys that know TCs or whatever probably know, but I was thinking it was for the hand controls, but they both of them have the hand controls on the side. So maybe it's for the, maybe it has another subwoofer, like for the premium that has a added subwoofer. So maybe it's connects to like the amplifier or something. I don't know. So I'm gonna go ahead and put that in. It's just gonna be the reverse. And then we'll fire it up, make sure it works. So you can't put these in the wrong ones because they made them that way where they only fit in one way. So let's try and figure out which one's which. This one is upside down. Hey.
You ready for me to lower it?
So I'm gonna put the camera down, but that's how it goes. Whew. Okay. So something kind of stupid happened with plugging the premium stereo into his new car. You know how when you turn the key on accessory, it normally fires right up? Well, I plugged in the new stereo and nothing happened, and I just kind of started freaking out, like, why is this not going right in? Like, this should be the simplest stereo install ever. And so I like unplugged it, I put it back in the other car, and it wasn't working in that one either. So I plugged in the old one back in this car, and it worked right away. So I'm trying to figure it out, and brought it back over here, plugged it in, and fucking light bulb went off, and pressed the power button, and sure enough, he had turned it off completely. But it's completely my stupidity. I should have known that. But it's all plugged in. Got the dash put back together. Looks pretty sweet. A lot better than the other one. So let's turn it on and see if it fires up. Yes, that's what you want to see. All right. That's the first one down for the day. Finally a win. Sean's actually wrapping up the wheels right now, so I think he's got 3 down, maybe 1 to go. So let's see how that's going. What's the problem?
I'm not strong enough. Just the tire looks like it's stuck. Sprayed it with some WD-40, but it's like stuck on there. And I have every single one of these off.
Okay.
So, I mean, hit it with the mallet.
Yeah. Hit it right here. Hit it a couple times. You can hit it pretty hard too, because it's not gonna, it won't damage the wheel.
Oh, okay.
Right there. And hit it right there. There you go.
Woo!
Yeah.
Yes! That would make sense, because you wouldn't want to hit it centrally.
No. Yeah, it's just they even had the anti-seize on it.
Do we want to put this under there, or we think we're good?
Yeah, you can throw it in. I mean,
Might as well.
can never hurt. I was expecting not to see anti-seize, but I did.
Tight squeeze. Feel right at home with the fucking weed wrapper, though.
Just get comfy. You're almost there. We got 1 more to go after this. So while you're doing that, I think I'm gonna start on these side mirrors.
Go for it.
Sound good?
Yeah.
Yeah. You guys see these things? Old, crappy, not crappy, shitty, not shitty. Let's switch them.
Because I do what I do. Go on and hate me, cause I got nothing to prove. Go on and hate me, cause I got nothing to lose.
Are you nervous?
No, does my beard look good?
Yeah, does mine?
Yeah.
Awesome.
A little patchy, but.
That's gonna be in the bloopers.
I'm good with that because you got fucking anal beads.